Hello? Today, we're going to dive into a topic that can deeply affect your life: manipulation. Every day, without realizing it, we might find ourselves under the influence of manipulative behaviors and words. So, how can we protect ourselves from this? In this video, we'll use the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius to learn how to recognize manipulation and develop defenses against it. Stoic philosophy provides us with tools to strengthen ourselves emotionally and mentally. This video will not only inform you about manipulation techniques but will also show you how to be resilient against them. Are you ready to turn a new page in your life armed with this knowledge? Stay with us until the end of the video because each lesson we explore will make you more aware and free. So, if you're ready, let's get started. And if you find our content helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Lesson 1: Observing the facts. The first step in combating manipulation is to observe events and situations as they truly are. Stoicism teaches us to confront reality and accept events without personal interpretations or emotional reactions. This approach protects us from manipulative influences and enables us to make more objective decisions. Consider situations you encounter in your life. When someone tries to persuade you, are their statements genuinely logical? Or are they just embellished words trying to sway you in a certain direction? Observing the facts helps us distinguish between these scenarios. For instance, if a salesperson presents a product as life-changing, it is important to question the validity of these claims. By observing the facts objectively, you can better assess the true value and accuracy of such claims. Moreover, as emphasized in the teachings of Marcus Aurelius, accurately observing ourselves and the people around us helps us understand the real intentions of those who might try to deceive us. Knowing what is true in our internal and external worlds acts as a shield against attempts at manipulation. For practical application of this lesson, write down situations you encounter daily and assess each one objectively. Determine which situations seem logical to you and which seem exaggerated or untrue. This exercise sharpens your perception of reality and improves your ability to recognize manipulative messages or intentions. In conclusion, observing the facts is a cornerstone of Stoicism and empowers us in our fight against manipulation. By developing this skill, we can advance both ourselves and our relationships on a healthier basis. Being able to see the truth clearly reduces the likelihood of manipulation in your life and leads to more sound decisions. Lesson 2: Knowing yourself. One of the most effective ways to combat manipulation is to have a deep understanding of oneself. If we know our weaknesses, vulnerabilities, and what influences us, we can make it more difficult for manipulators to target these areas. Stoicism encourages the development of deep awareness of one's inner world. This awareness helps us protect ourselves better and make healthier decisions. The process of self-knowledge can vary from keeping a journal to practicing meditation. By observing your own thoughts, emotions, and reactions, you can identify which situations make you uncomfortable or cause you stress. This information will give you an idea of the tactics that people trying to manipulate you might use. For example, if you have a fear of rejection, this could be an emotional vulnerability. Manipulators might use this fear to persuade you to agree to something you don't want. However, if you are aware of this weakness, you can be better prepared against such tactics and increase your chances of resisting emotional manipulation. For practical application of this lesson, try keeping a journal to better understand yourself. Every day, write down your feelings and reactions to the situations you encounter. This exercise will help you recognize your emotional triggers and learn how to deal with them. In conclusion, knowing yourself is a powerful tool for recognizing manipulative games and standing up against them. If you are aware of your own weaknesses and strengths, you become more resilient to attempts at manipulation. This knowledge not only protects you from manipulation but also enables you to make more confident and firm decisions. Lesson 3: Controlling emotional reactions. A key aspect of dealing with manipulation is controlling our emotional reactions. Stoicism helps us understand and manage our emotional responses, making us more robust individuals. If you are emotionally balanced and controlled, the chances of manipulators affecting you significantly decrease. The first step in controlling emotional reactions is to quickly identify the events that trigger our emotions and understand the origins of these emotions. For example, if you find yourself getting angry quickly during an argument, you should pause and reflect on why this reaction occurs. Perhaps similar situations in the past are shaping your current response. In this process, it's important to question the reasons behind every emotional response. This applies not only when you feel anger or sadness but also when experiencing positive emotions like joy or excitement. Assessing whether each emotional experience occurs without manipulative influences enhances your emotional resilience. To manage emotional reactions, you can utilize techniques such as daily meditation or breathing exercises. These practices calm your mind and help maintain your emotional balance. Additionally, applying these techniques in stressful or challenging situations makes you more resilient. As a practical application, write down significant emotional moments you experience each day and what you felt during those moments. Then, analyze how much of these emotions were triggered by actual situations and how much resulted from external manipulations. This exercise will help you better understand your emotional triggers and learn how to control them. In conclusion, controlling emotional reactions is a critical skill in combating manipulation. If you can manage your own emotional responses, you exhibit a much stronger stance against manipulative influences. This skill not only protects you but also enables you to progress more solidly and confidently in both your personal and professional life. Lesson 4: Gaining Perspective. In the battle against manipulation, understanding different perspectives and empathizing makes us better equipped. Stoicism facilitates our ability to comprehend the motivations and actions of those around us, allowing us to see manipulative influences more clearly and counteract them effectively. Trying to understand someone else's point of view helps us grasp why they may exhibit certain behaviors or say specific things. This process can be challenging because our own emotional responses and biases can limit our perspective. However, being open to others' thoughts and feelings allows us to understand their true intentions and motivations. For instance, if a colleague at work consistently exhibits a critical attitude, it might initially appear manipulative or harmful. Yet, attempting to understand the reasons behind their behavior can allow you to assess the situation more objectively. Perhaps they are under significant stress or have developed such a defense mechanism due to past experiences. For practical application of this lesson, observe the behaviors of people around you and try to understand the motivations behind their actions. This can be done by keeping a journal or evaluating your daily interactions. Try to assess each situation from the perspective of the other person and question how your own reactions influence this perspective. In conclusion, having different perspectives and the ability to empathize provides a significant advantage in combating manipulation. When you better understand others' thoughts and behaviors, it becomes easier to distinguish manipulative influences and stand against them. These skills enhance your awareness and effectiveness in social interactions, enabling you to forge healthier and more meaningful relationships. Lesson 5: Self-discipline and determination. In combating manipulation, self-discipline and determination are crucial for maintaining your personal boundaries and limiting the impact of manipulative influences. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of inner strength to develop a stable and determined attitude. This strength allows you to stand firm on your values and decisions, even amidst the chaos of the external world. Self-discipline enables you to regulate how you respond to events around you. For instance, the ability to refuse an offer or the determination to see a project through to the end are concrete examples of self-discipline. Such decisions demonstrate the inner strength required to resist manipulative influences. Determination involves focusing on long-term goals and not giving up in the face of daily challenges. To resist attempts at manipulation, it's crucial to remain faithful to your set values and goals. Achieving this requires learning to trust in yourself and your abilities. For practical application of this lesson, integrate self-discipline and determination into your daily routines. Habits such as waking up early, engaging in regular exercise, or sticking to a specific budget helps strengthen these skills. Additionally, when faced with challenging situations, review the steps you are taking to achieve your goals and adjust your plans as necessary. In conclusion, self-discipline and determination play vital roles in the fight against manipulation. These qualities help you withstand pressures and maintain your own decisions and values without succumbing. Practicing these concepts in your daily life makes you a stronger individual and more resistant to manipulative influences. Lesson 6: Self-confidence. In the fight against manipulation, self-confidence is one of the cornerstones of resisting manipulative tactics. Individuals who are confident in their decisions and determined in their self-expression are less likely to fall prey to manipulators' schemes. Self-confidence begins with being aware of your personal values and beliefs. Knowing how closely you adhere to your values and how you act in accordance with them makes it more difficult for others to mislead or manipulate you. Additionally, your belief in yourself helps you stand firm during tough times. Practical steps to build self-confidence include confronting challenging situations, learning new skills, and celebrating your achievements. Each success boosts your confidence a bit more and strengthens your ability to resist attempts at manipulation. For practical application of this lesson, set small goals for yourself and take steps to achieve them. Each time you reach a goal, celebrate that achievement to reinforce your belief in yourself. Additionally, being active in social interactions and clearly expressing your ideas can also effectively boost your confidence. In conclusion, self-confidence plays a critical role in combating manipulation. Confident individuals are more resilient against manipulative behaviors and make their decisions on a firmer foundation. Self-confidence allows you to establish healthier and more meaningful relationships in both your personal and professional lives. Lesson 7: Analyzing social interactions. In combating manipulation, accurately analyzing social interactions allows you to recognize manipulative intentions and tactics. Understanding what is said, how it is said, and the intentions behind these interactions forms an important line of defense for you. Deciphering the true meanings behind the expressions and behaviors you encounter during interactions can reveal manipulators' strategies. For example, someone constantly praising you or offering excessive help might seem positive at first, but it's important to question whether there are manipulative intentions underlying these actions. To implement this process, pay attention to the language use, tone, and body language in social interactions. The words used, the tone of voice, and body movements during communication can reflect a person's true intentions and emotional state. Additionally, noticing certain patterns and repetitive behaviors during conversations can help you identify manipulative tendencies. As a practical application, review your daily interactions and assess how genuine or manipulative each one is. Also, try to analyze the underlying intentions of the other party's words and behaviors in every interaction you encounter. This analysis will help you become more aware in social settings and enable you to detect manipulative attempts early. In conclusion, effectively analyzing social interactions is a crucial skill in countering manipulative tactics. This ability allows you to act more consciously in your relationships and protect yourself from attempts at manipulation. These skills help you establish healthier and more trustworthy relationships in both your personal and professional life. Lesson 8: Maintaining inner peace. In combating manipulation, maintaining your inner peace prevents external influences from overwhelming you. Inner peace is central to Stoic philosophy and is critical for ensuring mental and emotional stability. Having inner peace allows you to preserve your decisions and manage your life despite the chaos of the outside world. Supporting inner peace can involve relaxing activities like daily meditation, nature walks, or regular exercise. These activities calm the mind and increase your resilience against intense emotional or mental pressures. Additionally, dedicating time to yourself and engaging in personal development activities can reinforce your inner peace. Focusing on your values and goals helps protect against external influences like manipulation. Being at peace with your inner self serves as a natural shield against others' attempts to influence you. For practical application of this lesson, set aside time each day for yourself. Use this time to listen to your inner thoughts, express your emotions, and engage in personal reflections. This process helps you better understand yourself and maintain your inner peace. You can also use this time to develop techniques to cope with stressful situations. In conclusion, maintaining inner peace plays a vital role in combating manipulation and sustaining a healthy psychological state. Individuals with high inner peace are less susceptible to external influences and make sounder decisions. This leads to a happier and more productive life both personally and professionally. Today, we explored how to combat manipulation by leveraging the principles of Stoic philosophy. We saw how you can become more resilient against manipulative influences by enhancing your inner strength, values, and self-confidence. Each lesson provided valuable insights to help you maintain a firm stance in the face of manipulation. We hope this video helps you recognize manipulative behaviors and counter them effectively. If you found the information shared today useful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated on our new videos. Also, we invite you to share your own experiences, thoughts, or additional insights in the comments section to help raise awareness about this important topic. Your comments are valuable to us and will guide the direction of our future videos. We are eager to learn and grow with you on this journey. We look forward to your comments and support, wishing you a healthy and conscious life. Thank you and see you soon.